Hello everybody, Satellite 13. National Weather Service have issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Union County and Webster County. Over there, they were sounding off the sirens in Webster County. So, it is 6:06 in the morning. Severe thunderstorm warning has been issued this morning. And we're going to be tracking today, outside today, and seeing we can see any tornado events, and probably we're gonna see more tornado events pretty soon. And we'll be tracking here today, and then it is started raining right now, and it's about to get bad pretty soon. So I will let you know if another siren goes off in Union County or Webster County. So I'll holler at you all later.